Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. Now if you've upgraded Ubuntu Linux and it's broken your website, what is likely the fix? So I'm going to make this very simple, assuming that you have a basic understanding of the Linux operating system. So typically when Ubuntu is upgraded, now this is a major upgrade, different, new release of Ubuntu, typically the PHP version is likely different. So I'm going to cut to the chase and hopefully make this very simple for you. And before I do, if this video fixes your problem, please send me a super thanks. Not required, but if you choose to do so, you can find that thanks button down below this video. So a few quick things. The first thing you'll want to do, you'll need to be root on your Linux machine. You'll need to go into your Apache configuration directory. It's probably /etc/Apache2. And then there's two subdirectories. There's a mods-available and a mods-enabled. The mods-enabled are the mods for Apache that are active. So you want to look in there, just go in there, do an ls to list the files, and look for the ones that start with PHP. So those are your mods-enabled. Those are the ones that are active. Go back a directory level, go into mods-enabled. Not available, but enabled. Or, I'm sorry, available. Now when you look at the files within mods-available, you will probably find, when you look at PHP, a newer version. So for my example that I'm about to demonstrate here, I was at PHP 8.1 and I went to PHP 8.3. So all you do, you create a symbolic link within the mods-enabled to the mods-available for those two current version PHP files. In my case, it was PHP 8.3, and there's two files in there. So I did that, and then I had to disable the old PHP version's mod. So that's just ran a command to disable the old version of PHP, because if you don't do that, it's not going to work. So after you've disabled your old version of PHP and you've made the symbolic links to the current version of PHP files, then you can either restart Apache or reboot your server, and assuming that was the culprit, everything should work. So I hope this video helped. If it did, again, send me a super thanks. Not required, but deeply appreciated if you choose to do so. And be sure to subscribe and ring that bell, and check out all my other videos too. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.